Hello everyone, Mark here, and today I'm just going to be doing a quick flight test with these RCgeek Spark landing legs. Now I've put them on the Spark and they don't look too bad, and I just want to see how well they actually perform on the Spark and how well they actually raise the gimbal up when landed on grass. We all know the Spark is a great drone, but the gimbal is very low to the ground, and if you're landed on grass, sometimes grass can connect with your gimbal and give you some issues like gimbal overload and stuff like that. Sometimes you can't always rely on landing on a helipad or in your palm, so this is where the legs come in handy. So what we're going to do, we'll quickly take the drone up and see how well these landing legs work. Okay, so what we'll do, let's do a screen recording. And the screen is now recording, and then we'll record some footage on the drone as well. Okay, let's take the drone up.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Now, as you can see, the drone legs look quite well. It is quite breezy today. We've got 6 mile/h winds, but those legs look pretty good on there. They don't look too bad. I'm not going to fly it too far away today because I am keep on losing GPS signal for some reason, because the Fly Safe database app will not update on iOS or Android at the moment. I'm having a few difficulties with GPS signal, so we're going to keep it low and keep it slow. So let's fly it around. As you can see, it doesn't really affect the actual flight characteristics of the drone. The Spark is such a powerful little drone anyway. These really light lander legs are not going to affect the actual flight characteristics or the flight time really of the Spark. So I just want to keep an eye on my GPS. Let's take it out. We're going to make sure we stay at least 200 to 300 meters away from the dog walkers. Okay, so they look okay. So now let's do the actual proper test. Let's actually land the drone and see how well these landing legs work. So what we'll do, we'll hover it up there. I will stop the video. We'll bring the drone around, and I'm going to land it up nice and close so you can get a good view of it. So steady, land the drone. As you can see there. Nice. As you can see, that gimbal is well off of the ground, probably 1.5 inches off of this grass. So these landing legs have done a really good job. I'm impressed with that. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get these landing legs, and like I say, these are the RCgeek DJI Spark landing legs. They're really cool legs. They look good and they do a great job, so go check them out. So that's it for me, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Happy RCing. Please do hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification button, because I've got loads of DJI Spark accessory videos coming, and give me a thumbs up as well if you found the video interesting. As always, guys, take care and happy RCing. Bye bye.